Okay, in this video, we arrive in Tegucigalpa, Honduras. And today we're going on a hike through the cloud forest. Follow along.
Hey, you watching, man, right now? You're watching dcbornrob on YouTube.
You're watching dcbornrob. It's time to travel.
Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever it is you're located. Thanks for watching. My name is Rob Christian, also known as dcbornrob. DC Rob, I answer to them all. Thank you guys for watching. Again, in this video, we arrive at our Airbnb in Tegucigalpa, Honduras, and we're getting ready for a walk through the cloud forest, do a wine tasting while we're on the road, and then back and hang out for the night before heading back the following day. So follow along in this video. But again, if you're getting any benefit out of my videos, do me a favor, go down and hit the subscribe button, click the bell to be alerted of any new videos, and like. Like helps the YouTube algorithm. The more you hit like, the more people get to see these videos. For everybody who takes a second and go down and hit like, this is for you. Cool Man said, you all right. That's right. Thank you guys so much. Let's just jump into the video. Okay, so we just made it to an Airbnb. I'll show you in a second, but there's a private terrace. That's what the comments were for. I heard some nice comments about this. Private place with a view. Pero no gente, no people. Bueno. But Uber's here, so that's a good part. So we're finally in our Airbnb. It's nice, there's just no people here. Front door, of course it's dark, you can't see too well. But you come in the entranceway and you have a full kitchen here. Microwave oven, full refrigerator. Living/dining room table, couch. The one thing we were looking for, we do not see. And then we go up, what, 2 more floors? No, 1 more floor, and we have a private balcony. It's got a washer and dryer. It does? Thank you, God. It does have air conditioning. Oh, it's a split, okay. Yay! Look at this, this is nice. Except I do not get the tiny TV. I would carry my own. It's just absurd to put it, I mean, they're like $50 more and it'll fill this whole, I don't know. Anyway, we have a seating area upstairs. This is where we're gonna build our house. But it's on the side of the mountain. So we better get used to it. We're gonna be doing some Ubering because I ain't walking. Here's a bathroom. Nice. Oh yeah. Compared to you saw my hotel, we just left. But you know what? That turned out to be okay anyway. I mean, we were in a central location, so that place worked out good for what it calls in the location-wise. But this is nice. We made it to Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Follow along the rest of the trip though. Dropped off at the mall. And it's packed. But check this out. Look, you have to walk in a certain direction. And you have to wear a mask. That part sucks. We need to hurry up and get to a place where we can eat. But we made it to the mall. Got to get something to eat. Got to find out how to get a bottle of liquor. We'll figure that out though. Grocery store maybe. Okay, we're up. I think it's just 1 extra floor up here from our actual Airbnb to our balcony patio area type deal, but check this out. This is nice. Now, refrigerator will set this off with some extra ice, but this is ours. This is at least 20 by 20, 22 by 22. And it's actually cool. This is seriously, you can have a party up here. And a crazy full moon. But it's nice out. Life is good. Party time. So we're just leaving our Airbnb and we're gonna walk to McDonald's. We have a tour guide meeting us at McDonald's. Wish we had thought of this earlier. But we're gonna walk down here because there's no address. It's just the name of the building, so it's difficult to find. Well, we know where we are. We had to tell the taxi last night where we are. Ubers are sparse. look around. There are no people. There's almost no cars until we get to this main drag. But anyway, we're gonna go to McDonald's, grab something to eat, get picked up, and we're going on a tour to a waterfall and the top of some park, I guess, top of some mountain, so we'll have a view, an overlook. And then we're not sure if we're going back to Comayagua later today, because there's just nothing happening and we don't know where to go. So we know that's a small town and it's safe. So there you go. So we picked up at the McDonald's. We are in the back of our car or truck, Land Cruiser. We are headed up the mountain. First place we're going to is a trail that I didn't know I was going to have to walk upwards of 10 kilometers. So I'm having to deal with that. But we'll do the first part, and then if we can't make it, we'll turn around and come back. But we'll decide that then, though. But we're in the car. We're on the road. By the way, the name of the park is like Tigre National Park. Tigre. So we're here. This Land Cruiser, and he's parked right on the edge too. And they're having them pull even closer to the edge. So we'll see, but look, we're just starting off. Look, these guys had to put rocks under their tires.
To walk the pink trail to this one. This is 1.5 kilometers. It's called Bosque Nublado or Cloud Forest. And from here we will decide if you want to go to the waterfall. From here to here is just going up.
We just checked in, we got the details. Here is the office where you have to pay to go inside. Our guy paid for it, so I'll find out how much it costs later. Eco Museum. He said the second half of this walk is going to be a bitch. With a quote. So we'll see. Okay, I've seen that.
It's like passion fruit. It's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you don't eat the seeds?
Yeah, you eat the seeds. Like it?
That's definitely different. It's crazy, look. It's crunchy, like frosted flakes. What's it called again?
Granadilla.
Granadilla. Just give us enough energy to get up this hill. And the elevation, we're at
1,100 to 1,120. 2,120.
Looks like fun. Oh, and this is it. Oh.
What is it? What does it?
So the struggle, of course, is the lack of air. And
The incline stairs are out of, they're not even, but beautiful. Okay, a seat, so we'll take a quick break. I think we're at 23 or 24 miles right now, about 8,000 feet high. At least that's the way it feels like. We're still at it.
Swimmer,
About 30 miles high,
biker.
30,000 feet. Yeah, buddy. You asked for it, you got it. Oh. That's the Quetzal, the Guatamalan.
The Guatamalan
Mhm. Yep.
Yeah, long tail.
Yeah, see it hanging? So we made it to the first stopping point. Beautiful. El Tigre National Park. There's no tigers though, but there are jaguars. Little seating bench, I guess people switch. It's a switching point to go between two different trails. So we started here and we are right here. And now we're going up here. Gotta love it. And that way is to where he says, literally, it's a bitch. When your guide tells you it's a bitch, then you need to take the other alternative. So it's either that way or this way, and we're gonna get the overlook. Okay, so we finally made it to the overlook at Mirador. Look, this reminds me of the volcano in El Salvador. The way this is set up. Let's go up and take a look.
Gracias.
Oye. Beautiful, lush. And this must be a highest area again. But we made it. I don't know if you can see that far, but I'll try to zoom in. You can see the city a little bit further over. But it's lush. This air is good, beautiful. It must be noon. I was getting ready to say, look, it's 12 o'clock. Nice walk. Now we get to go back down. Beautiful. We are almost on our way back down Jaguar. The mine, trail of the mines. Anyway, we're almost back down. And you know, just like you climb any mountain, your knees feel like they're getting ready to give out on you. But, and then I slipped once. Caught myself on my hand. But still, sketchy. But it's fun, nature. And just like that, we are back down. Well, almost another 30 meters. Oh, look, I'm an official traveler. I said meters. This is where it all began. And that fruit. And flowers. And remember, it's Easter weekend holiday. Guess that's the side going up. So this is the actual starting point. You pay for your ticket, you come right here and you walk right up. The paths begin, there's a little kids area. I guess they can swing like they're in the jungle. And then the bathroom. Nice facility. Everywhere, I figured it out. Because the sun is right overhead at 12 noon. But this is where it all began. Travel, travel, travel. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see how much this shirt is. We're back in the Land Cruiser, and now we're going to pick berries. What kind of berries are we picking?
Blackberries.
Blackberries. Blackberries, and then we're going to an overlook.
Hopefully there's
Then
a
it's
season.
tested.
There's season. Blackberries.
We'll side stop to look at plants, but we can't take them. They are beautiful. You need a hand?
¿Cómo se llaman? Llorón.
So this is the next part of our tour. Blackberry picking. Fresh fruits everywhere too. Something smells good, whatever that is. I think she's got chicken or something over there. That looks good. So again, we're at the place to pick the blackberries. Our guide is paying for us now, but it looks like there's a restaurant here too. A lot of typical food on the side of the road. Absolutely beautiful. No blackberries to pick.
What they do have here is
So we're gonna try the wine made with blackberries. If it's good, we'll buy it.
so you can try it over here.
Entrega. This is beautiful. It's beautiful out here today. Look at this. This is why I travel. Look at this. It's all over. Wine. We're gonna have to take off the mask.
I can taste the fermentation.
Thank you. Gracias. Oh yeah. It's like
Remember when you went to El Salvador? Was it? What did you try?
I don't remember.
The fermentation is strong.
Oh yeah, chiche de maíz or something like that.
Yeah,
Chiche de maíz.
the corn.
It's from corn liquor.
We had corn liquor.
So I purchased it. We tasted it. You saw us taste it, and we got the bottle of wine. And we're leaving tomorrow, so we got to drink it tonight. This and vodka. We'll get it done. You know, I don't quit. I don't quit. I'm not a quitter when it comes to drinking. We got our wine. We're back in the car. Headed down the road. You're normally the calm one. Okay, we are at our next stop, El Piquicho, I believe, and it's an overlook. This will remind you of Medellin. Well, kind of, sort of. Except no houses on the side of the mountain. Check this out. The whole valley. As you can see, there's different neighborhoods here. Now we have to do what everybody has to do, and that is COVID time. Get our tests. So we're at the testing site right now. Catherine's in, and I go next. Okay, so the food came. Looks good. I got the shrimp, French fries, playing it safe. Catherine got the fish. And I'm gonna try some of that fish, but it's got bones in it. But less things, I'm starving after that walk, that hike. I am ready to eat. So this is a nice spot. It's dark inside, so I had to step outside. But this spot is nice, but they only have beer. Well, I mean liquor, they have drinks, but no food, and we need food. That picture of the mountains looks like Medellin. Travel, people, travel. Let me tell you something. You'll never know. Don't listen to what people tell you. Honduras is dangerous, El Salvador is dangerous, Guatemala is dangerous. But until you go, you won't know. Don't listen to what other people tell you. I mean, pay attention to the DOT, but still, travel. We are leaving this spot because they don't have food, okay? And look, 3 at the 6 top. Anyway, this is popping. Well, if you come to Honduras, you need to come across from Honduras Maya Hotel. And it's popping, baby. So if you ask for Hotel Plaza Juan Carlos, then you end up here. It's the only, I think, one of the few 4.5-star hotels. But then across from here, there's all different type of spots where you can come. And we saw lights on the way up. Disco lights up the street. So we're gonna try to go here and see how funky it can get. What? So we left the other spot to get us something to eat, but all they have is nachos and alitas. And you know what I drink? Barrena. And you know what? It looks like I see the gallo. You know where gallo is from?
Something new.
Gallo is from Guatemala. Believe it. And Salvavida, I guess it's the Salvadoran life. This is what she's drinking, but for me, it's Barrena. ¿Qué pasó? So we're at the second spot, and the food came out, and it's a nice place. I don't know if this is where the disco lights were when we pulled up, but I got alitas, which are wings, if you didn't know, and nachos. We'll see how it is. Woo! We're on our way to the airport. We're leaving Tegucigalpa, headed to Comayagua, because that's the international airport. And so we're in the Uber. Easy, breezy, Sunday day. I guess the people all come back later today or tomorrow because there's still nobody in town. Barely anything's open. Of course, Easter holiday, not much at all anyway. But good trip. We did a lot in 3 days. I would say it felt like a week.
Yes.
And we chalked a lot into it. Mountain climbing and all kind of crap. Anyway, we did it. just like that, we're at the airport. About an hour and 10 minutes. Tegucigalpa. My God, they just put me through some crazy stuff. I thought it was bad coming in. This was 3 times as bad. Oh my God. She dumped out my bag, everything. Secondary inspection, of course, me. Captain walks through. I get pulled over. Of course, I have all types of little things in my backpack. And she pulled out everything. I even have a smaller bag with little things in it. You know, cologne, chapstick, everything. Oh my God, it was a mess. I had to wait till she was finished talking. Oh my God, this is the worst I've ever gone through. But then the guy came over and said, hey, my little tool, it's that big, a little wrench. They took that's $20, $25 little tool and gave me back my clippers. She tried to show me that with my nail clipper and the little file piece that's that long, I could stab somebody. And with my wrench, I could go grab somebody's finger with it. I'm like, are you serious? Anyway, we're in and we're early and they are efficient if nothing else. So if you're coming to Honduras, just be prepared for a strip search, baby, because it's for real. They are not joking in here. And fingerprints. Check you record your fingerprints coming in, record them coming out. So make sure you're the same person that's coming and leaving. This was intense. And now I'm hungry. I was sitting there sweating. Now I'm hungry and I can't find anything because she tossed everything around, but if that's the least of my problems, I'm good. Last meal in Honduras. This time, chicken sandwich. We're at the airport. That's why it's last meal. Grilled chicken, I guess, and yuca chips. Yuca chips, they're called. I call them yucca chips, really, but it is what it is. And back on the road. I'm on the jetway. After checking and checking and rechecking and checking. Did you buy anything? Did you move between here and the bathroom? Did you do this? You know what? Back. Spirit. Not a lot going on. Join me on social media. I am dcbornrob official on Instagram. I am dcbornrob official 1 on TikTok. I am dcbornrob O on Twitter. Don't be like this guy right here. You're just so stupid. I had to send you a video to let you know you're so stupid. That's right. Don't be like this guy right here. Join me on social media. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. And definitely like. It helps that YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying?
We have a YouTube channel. Like it.
Please comment and share if you liked the video. Please subscribe and kick the bell.